What you're looking at here is the River Eroding Flood Storage Project near Stapleford Tawney. These works are being carried out by BAM Nuttall on behalf of the Environmental Agency to help reduce risk for communities further downstream. This scheme is being built to temporarily hold excess water during periods of heavy rainfall, helping to control the flow of the river and reduce the chance of flooding in built-up areas. From above, you can see the scale of the earthworks, with large sections of land being reshaped to create storage areas and embankments. Parts of the river are also being altered as part of the overall design, along with structures that will help manage how water moves through the site. This is a major long-term flood defence project, and it will be interesting to see how it continues to take shape over time. Let me know what you think of the progress so far, and don't forget to subscribe for more local updates from above.